Gold is one of the rarest elements in the world, making up roughly 0.003 parts per million of the Earth's crust. But how much gold is the world digging up each year and what country produces the most? Let's dig into it. At number 10 we have Uzbekistan. The country produced 105 metric ton of gold in 2019, up slightly from 100 metric ton in 2018. The country Morintau gold mine is one of the largest open pit mines in the world. Uzbekistan has been producing from the old mines for quite some time and has not seen much exploration investment. Moving forward, at number 9 we have South Africa. South Africa gold production decreases in 2019 compared with 2018, falling from 137 metric ton to 120. The country gold's output has fallen 85% since 1980, but it has been one of the world's top gold producers for decades. Despite this, South Africa is currently estimated to have world's second largest quantity of gold reserve at 6,000 metric ton, and that's a very huge amount. Moving forward, at number 8 we have Mexico. Mexico is another gold producer that saw a production increase last year, knocking South Africa out of the 8th spot to claim for itself. While Mexico was plagued by underwhelming gold price and maturing gold mines that caused production challenge in 2019, the country was able to increase its gold production from 110 metric ton to 125 in 2019. Today, gold and silver accounts for more than 50% of country total metal output. At number 7 we have Ghana. Ghana once again became a top 10 gold producing country when in 2019 it produced 130 metric ton of gold, up slightly from the output of 128 metric ton in 2018. It is also worth noting that Ghana recently took the top spot as Africa's largest gold producers. Moreover, the country hosts more estimated reserves than the key gold producing countries such as Peru. So at number 6 we have Peru. Peru saw a slight decrease in gold production last year, with output slipping from 151 metric ton in 2018 to 145 metric ton in 2019. The country saw its largest level of production and exports in 2014 and has since made a slight recovery. That said, illegal gold mining continues to be a struggle for the country and has been responsible for the devastation of land, including patches of the precious Amazon forest. So at number 5 spot we have Canada. Canada inched up 2 spots in the list in 2019, producing 10 more tons of gold than the previous year. Toronto-based Seabridge Gold stumbled upon a significant gold field in northern British Columbia after a glacier retreated and is estimated to contain a whopping 780 metric tons of gold. This could be the source of increased outputs in the upcoming years. Moving forward, at number 4 we have United States. Gold output rose by 8 tons in the US last year, marking the 4th consecutive year of annual increase. Production was supported by Project Ramp Up at the Long Canyon project in Nevada and the Hale project in South Carolina. Around 78% of Americans' golds come from Nevada alone. At number 3 we have Russia. A massive 83% of European golds come from Russia, which has been increasing its production every year since 2010. The nation increased output by 17 tons last year, even as the ruble appreciated 13%, which hurts producers with weaker revenue growth related to the cost of production. Who is the largest buyer of Russian gold? Well, of course, it's Russian government, which purchases around 2/3 of all gold produced locally. At number 2nd spot, we have Australia. Although gold production increased 5 tons from the previous year in Australia, MineX Consulting released a report detailing an expected drop between 2017 and 2057 unless the amount spent on exploration is doubled. The minerals industry produces over half of Australia's total exports and generates about 8% of GDP. So finally at number 1 we have China. For many years China has been the top producing nation, accounting for 13% of the global mine production. Production fell by 6% last year due to escalated effort by the government to fight pollution and raise environmental awareness. However, production is expected to pick up this year due to several mine upgrades at the existing projects. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's also increased some knowledge of gold production. For more latest updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.